Hey everyone! Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to make Steph Curry an infinite craft game. It is very easy and simple. So, let's get started. First thing first, take water and put in the field, and then take water and put in the water. When you do that, you will get lake. And after that, take water and put in the lake. When you do this step, guess what? You will get ocean. After that, take earth from the list and put in the ocean. When you do this, voila! You will get island. Now, take island and put in the island. When you do this, you will get continent. Then, take earth from the list and put in the continent. When you do this, you will get land. Now, go to the other side. Take earth and put in the field, and then take water from the list and put in the earth. When you do this, you will get plant, and then take wind from the list and put in the plant. When you do this dandelion, now, again take wind from the list and put in the dandelion. When you do this, voila! You will get seed. Now, again go to other side. Take water from the list and put in the field, and then take dandelion and put in the water. When you do that, you will get wine. Now, it's time to combine these elements. Take wine and put in the seed. When you do this, voila! You will get grape, and then take grape and put in the land. When you do this, you will get vineyard. Now, go to the other side. Take continent and put in the field, and after that, take lake and put in the continent. When you do this, you will get America. Now, combine these elements. Take America and put in the vineyard. When you do this, voila! You will get Napa. Now, take wine from the list and put in the Napa. When you do this, you will get California, and then take fire from the list and put in the California. When you do this, you will get wildfire. And after that, take dandelion from the list and put in the wildfire. When you do this, you will get dragon. Now, the next step is to take California from the list and then put in the dragon. When you do that, voila! You will get San Francisco. After that, take California from the list and put in the San Francisco. When you do this, you will get Golden Gate Bridge. Then, go to other side. Take wine and put in the field, and then take water from the list and put in the wine. When you do this, you will get holy water. Then again go to other side. Take plant and put in the field. Then take plant and put in the plant. When you do this, voila! You will get tree. Then, take water and put in the tree. When you do this, voila! You will get river. Now, it's time to combine these elements. Take river and put in the holy water. When you do that, you will get Jordan. Now, take fire from the list and put in the Jordan that you just made. When you do this, voila! Guess what? You will get Michael. Don't stop here. Our destination is near. Now, take Jordan from the list and put in the Michael. When you do this, you will get air. And then, again take Jordan and put in the air. When you do this, you will get basketball. Now, combine these elements. Take basketball and put in the Golden Gate Bridge. When you do this, you will get Golden State Warriors. Now, remove this. The next step is to go to the other side. Take wind and put in the field, and then take basketball and put in the wind. When you do this, voila! You will get air ball. Now, the last step is to take Golden State Warriors from the list and put in the air ball. When you do this, voila! You have just crafted Steph Curry. Congratulations! You have successfully made Steph Curry an infinite craft game. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.